Hello students, let us try to have the difference between valency and oxidation number students. Okay, so valency it is the combining capacity student, and oxidation number is the appeared charge. Okay, so have a look over the first point. What are there? Valency is the combining capacity of element. It is defined as the number of hydrogen atom or double the number of oxygen atoms which an atom of the element combine. Okay, what is the oxidation number? Is the charge which an atom has appeared or has to have when present in the combined state. This is what the definition. Now to have a look over the second point. Valency is only number. Valency is only number. As such, it does not have plus or minus sign attached to it. For example, in H2O, the valency of oxygen is 2 and that hydrogen is 1. So this is valency is only a number. Now see the oxidation number. Since the oxidation number refers to charge, it can be positive, negative. For example, H2O, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and hydrogen is +1. Valency of element cannot be 0. So oxidation number of element can be 0. Oxidation number of element can be 0. For example, the oxidation number of carbon in CH2Cl2 is 0. Valency of element can be 0 for only noble gas. Exception is there. Exception noble gas. Noble gases. Now, since atom always combine in simple whole number ratio, therefore valency of element is always whole number. In reality, no element can have fractional oxidation number, but if in compound the same element exists in two different oxidation state, then its average oxidation number may have fractional value. For example, the average oxidation number of Fe in Fe3O4 is +8/3 and that of sulfur in Na2S4OA6 is +2.5. Okay, in some cases the valency of element is fixed in all its compound. For example, the valency of carbon is 4 in all its compound like CH4, C2H6, CH3Cl, C2H4, C2H2, like that. Okay, the oxidation number of element may be different in different compound. For example, the oxidation number of carbon is -4 in CH4, -3 in C2H3, in CH3Cl -1, in C2H2 is 0, in CH2Cl2 +2, in CHCl3 +3, C2Cl6 and +4 in CCl4. So this is what the oxidation number is getting changed in different compound. Now 6 point, the valency of element may be variable, but the variation is limited to only two value. For example, the valency of nitrogen is either 3 or 5 in all compounds like N2O, NO, N2O3, NO2, N2O5, N2, N2H2, N2H4 and NH3. Okay, so this is the only two value. The oxidation number of element may be also be variable, but the variation is too large. For example, the oxidation number of nitrogen is +1 in N2O, +2 in NO, +3 in N2O3, +4 in NO2, +5 N2O5, N2 0 in N2, -1 in N2H2, -2 in N2H4, -3 in NH3. So that is what find, that is valency is limited only, two value can be there, but oxidation number can have that is large number. So this is all difference between the valency and oxidation number, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment, students.